Hi, hello, welcome to Tech in Pocket. As we have done unboxing and complete review of MI Notebook Pro, let's do a video on upgrading MI Notebook Pro to Windows 11. It comes with Windows 10 by default. After 4 to 5 days, we received a update for Windows 11. Let's quickly catch up our settings page. In this page, you can see upgrade to Windows 11 is ready and it is mentioning as free. We have two options, either to download and install or stay on Windows 11 for now. So let's try download and install. So it is asking us to accept some terms and conditions. So as you can see, now Windows 11 is getting downloaded. So give it some time. So it's 100% downloaded. Now it is pre-installing. So once installation is close to 100%, it will ask us to restart. So as you can see, system is ready to get Windows 11. So if we tap on restart now, it will be like a goodbye to Windows 10. Restarting now. As you can see, updates are underway. It is getting installed. During this process, it will restart a lot of times, so please be patient. We have our brand new Windows 11 PC now. So let's quickly as it is the first boot post installation, it is taking a bit of time. Please wait. As we can see, this is the new start menu of Windows 11. So let's quickly play around with the desktop. As you can see, it's very faster than Windows 10. Let's give a couple of seconds for it to load all the applications. So let's give a quick overview of the Windows 11. This is a new file explorer. As you can see, it is quite new in terms of icons and all. So this is a new start menu where we have a search bar at the top, followed by apps which we are by defaultly pinned. We can even pin our own apps to it, and some recommended shortcuts. This is the new desktop pane where we can easily switch between multiple desktops. And this is the new widgets panel which comes with Windows 11. As you can see, we have weather followed by market details and sports and a bit of stories. We can customize this for a lot. As this is the first boot of Windows 11, we are not seeing the search bar at the top. Post 2 to 3 days of usage, we will see all personalized information for this widget. And we can see Teams pre-installed, which is a new version of Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Edge is the default browser. Coming to the Microsoft Store, this is the new store which is coming up with Windows 11. Please give it as a bit of seconds to load its initial load. As you can see, the new Windows 11 store is beautifully crafted in terms of UI and experience. We can see the new applications like Disney, Netflix and all. And we have a app section where we have the new app section where a list of sections has been highlighted, and there is a dedicated tab for gaming. This is the new Microsoft Store. It will be completely personalized. On top of that, we have Microsoft Mail pre-installed, and this is our new notification center. As you can see, it is completely different than Windows 10. We have a calendar widget at the bottom, followed by notifications. You can even clear all the notifications with the tab. In calendar, we have two versions. One is a highlighted version, one is a fully opened version, and these are the new toggles for Windows 11. We have Wi-Fi toggle, Bluetooth toggle, and all toggles. We have both volume controller and brightness controller here. So as you can see, this is the latest installed Windows 11 experience in MI Notebook Pro. So for more videos on MI Notebook Pro and Windows 11 experience, please subscribe us, please like and share our videos. So we'll be uploading a bunch of videos specific to MI Notebook Pro and Windows 11 experience. We'll be uploading tips and tricks of Windows 11 soon. Thanks for following us. Thank you. Signing off.